Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I will show you how to add a Windows path to the environment variables so you can access any of the bash scripts or exes that is included in those folders in your command prompt windows without changing the directory. So for example, if I come over here and I type working, it says that this is not recognized. However, if I open this directory in command prompt, it says it is working. So ideally, we want this to work in all directories, not just this particular directory. To do that, we need to copy the path of this folder. So copy this, go to the start menu and search for env and click edit the system environment variables. From here, click environment variables and double click path. Here, you need to be very careful that you do not change any of the existing paths. Otherwise, certain applications might not work properly. So I'll come down here, click new and paste that path. Click OK, OK, OK. Now, when I open the command prompt, and even though it is not in the same directory as this one, I can type working and it'll say it is working. That is it for today's tech tip. If this was useful, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Okay, bye.